Next up on our fruit list, we're going to do an apple design. Load up a medium brush with red. You're going to draw what almost looks like a heart. Except at the bottom, instead of coming down to a point, you're just kind of going to make a wiggly line. So a very rounded bottom. You can choose to make it either kind of indistinct like that, or you can kind of sharpen up the bottom into 2 points. Then you're going to take either black or brown with your detail brush, and starting from just above and curving down to just inside the top, you'll have your stem. With a medium brush, you're going to load up on dark or light green, either or. And then coming out from the side, curve up, curve down, fill in for your leaf. Then take a medium brush, get a little bit of white, and make just the little curve on the side of white. And that shows it's shiny. And that's how to make an apple.